Hi guys, today I went to Five Below and I'm going to show you a little haul of the things that I got. And also this is my first video. So first I'm going to start with this Play-Doh slime thing. And it's really cool. It's actually the new rainbow ones, which I really wanted. And it looks really cool, so let's open it. I opened things bad, guys. Okay, so it comes with this slime thing, which is really cool. I think it comes with something else. Oh, it comes with this pack of, I think, the little cereal it looks like cereal though. Like on the box, looks like cereal. But anyways, this is it. Let me put it a little down lower. Okay, so I want to see the slime so bad. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh, wow, this is like clear slime. Oh my gosh, guys. I want to take all the slime and play with it before I put all the ingredients and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is like so nice. I think this would be better with clear slime, but this kind of actually looks like milk. Or like the cereal, kind of. I'll call it cereal slime. Slime's so good. Okay. Now, I have the slime, and I'm going to open these. I think I might need scissors for these, but I'm not sure. Oops. It's so hard. Oh. I think I need scissors for this. Okay guys, so I had to get some scissors, so I got these purple ones because they're my favorite color, because my favorite color is purple and blue, so I gotta these. Look what's inside. I want to take one out and show you guys. It feels just like cereal. This is like a heart yellow shape. It's not really good on camera, but look at all of these. Oh, okay. Now, let's open it. Okay, I already opened it. I just closed it. So it won't get dry. It looks like just like cereal. There's one more inside. Gotta take it out. This one. Okay, there you go. Look at these. Look at this X one. They're kind of like Fruit Loops. Okay, now time to mix it in. I'm gonna mix it in like this. Okay, you guys could see more. I'm gonna mix it in like this, and then after that, I'll take it out with my hand. When it's like all mixed up. Sorry if my hand gets in the way. I just have to mix the slime up. Oh my gosh, this is the best slime ever. Look at this, guys. It's like a rainbow slime. You guys don't know I do love slime, so yeah. Now, I try to show you guys. Oh no! Oh no, some of the stuff is on. Oh my gosh! Okay, so I had too much slime on my hand, but yeah, you guys saw that the slime, which is really nice. I really like this. I totally recommend buying this if you guys go to Five Below or anything. So let's do the next one. Oh my gosh! I don't know what to do. And also I have my scissors right here. So let's see. Let's do this one. This one is the glitter. Ugh, I can't say it, but this is the glitter poppet. Yeah, this is a glitter cactus one, and it's supposed to look like that. So let me show you guys. I have to make this. Let's see. I'm so excited. Oh, it's like a mini Poppet. Oh my gosh, it's so small. It's mini. I think this, my sister's gonna be jealous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like a mini Poppet. Look at it, guys. I saw lots of people have this on their phone case. Like the Poppet phone case. This is so cool. I love this Poppet. I think this is the bad side. The bad side's not that bad, but this is a good side. I love this Poppet. Oh my gosh, I give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, I'll put this, oops. I'll put this right there. Top of the slime. Next is this one. I also have a bunch over there that I'm going to show you. This might not be in all one video. So I have this Bubble Burst. This is supposed to be a neon square Poppet. So it's supposed to look like this. So let's see. Oh, let me put this camera down. So let's see. Okay, let me put the box. Oh, this is actually really cool. It's like 2 colors. This is like a big Poppet. I've never had a Poppet like this one. I guess this is the bad side. And also I'm gonna wash all these Poppets that are new. Because there's like this little hole right here where people could touch it. And I think a lot of people touched this Poppet because it's like a little dirty. So I'm gonna wash all the new Poppets. Okay, this is the good side. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is the best Poppet ever. Oh my gosh, I love the neon colors. I love this Poppet. I give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'll put this one next to the cactus. Next, I'm going to do this green cactus one. Let me put it down. It's a green one. Since I have the other kind of like orange one, I have this green one, which I'm so excited for it. I thought the cactus Poppet would be much more bigger, but look at how it has so much glitter. Look at it. It's so cool. I guess this is the bad side. Because it's not like a lot of pops. Let's see the good side. Oh, OMG. I love this one. I guess it's a 10 out of 10 too. It's like a mini Poppet. Like, I think this is like a... I think this is a travel size kind where it's like it's mini. So if you go somewhere, I think I would recommend it because it's like really small. Or if you get those mini Poppets, which I do not have one, but I'm probably gonna get one soon. Next is this kind of like silver metallic one. Let me see. It's right here. This is the last of all the Poppets also. So let me open this up. Open this right here. Look at it. It's so glitter. Like, it's so much glitter. I think I got all the ones that have glitter except my neon one. So this is the bad side. This bad side is horrible. I don't like the bad side. I just hate it on the swap it. This is the good side. This is amazing. I love this Poppet. A 10 out of 10 for all my Poppets. I just don't like this side though. So maybe a 9 out of 10 for this one. But the rest is perfect. I love this one. Oh, sorry guys. All my Poppets and slimes are right there. Next is my Squishmallows headphones. I love Squishmallows. I'm gonna have to do it like at the back of the camera so you guys can see. So this is the Squishmallows headphones, which I really love Squishmallows, and they're also a fidget toy. So I'm really excited to open this. So yeah, and I actually have a collection. This is Cammy the cat, which is so cute, and these are wireless. So I have my scissors right here with me, and I'm gonna open this. So yeah. Let's see. I don't like the tape right here. Ugh. Okay. There you go. I got it. Okay. Now headphones. Oh, I thought I had to get. Oh, I thought these were wireless. I guess they're not. They're just like earmuffs. They're so soft, just like the regular Squishmallows. So this is like the Cammy the cat, and then there's this other side of the Cammy the cat, which is so cool. And then the wires is right here just to connect. They look like wireless headphones. I'll just move that. But look at how cool this is. Let me put the camera up a little bit. Look at how cool. It's like, they're so cute. I think I'll use this for school. This is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Look at all the stuff that I got. Well, sadly this is the end. Make sure you subscribe and and also I'm adding more things to my YouTube channel because I need to change my banner, so I'm changing it right now. I just don't know the size for it. But that's it. Bye.